Alright, hi guys. So welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I know I'm going to take my nails off, the rest of. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be putting together Dollar Tree Valentine's Day gift. See, so I got a bunch of bags and stuff from Dollar Tree. I'm about to put them together. I just wanted to go show y'all that. Show, show, show y'all it. Sorry, guys. My fingers in the way. Yeah, guys, so that is what your girl is going to be doing. I'm going to be putting together Dollar Tree gift bags, gift for like Dollar Tree. So, before we get into this video, I need y'all to do a few things. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. Now let's get into it. Okay, so now first, I gotta look through because I got a bunch of bags, and which one has the like, and found you. The lady at two buckets. And so, okay, guys, and so I got these little heart popcorn buckets, and they are going to go in here. So I'm gonna go open this up. Hold on, I'm gonna go and get a. I'm gonna go and get scissors real quick. My room is right here. I'll be back. So, got the scissors, and I'm gonna just do this. Come on. And I'm opening up this one. And I'm taking my stickies, and I'm gonna just put them aside to the side. See? And like you can go open them up, but they're two individual ones. Put them aside, cause I got some more. Yeah. I got two more of the same bucket thingies. And I'm gonna just take this again and I'm gonna open it up. And I got the same bu- and I got the same buckets. And I got one more thing. Sholo. I think it's in this bag. It was one of them. Oh, I found it. And I got this one. This is super, super cute. This is like a mailbox, and see, you can like stick it up. See? And look, see, put stuff inside there. So now, how are we going? So the first thing I'm going to put in there is these. I I got these cute large print word hints or like word search basically. I got, see, they have like Fruit Loops and stuff on them. And gonna put them. So basically, this is the first thing. So basically, I got these and that right there. So I'm gonna take these. And I'm gonna like put it like that. See? Oh yes, guys, and by the way, I got two. Turn on those lights, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep them off, please.
Yeah. Okay. And so basically, I got two more in these colors. I'm gonna put in those two. But the Dollar Tree I was out at ran out of those ones. So one of the word searches is just acorn. So do the same thing to the other one. Bam. See, that's to start off. And now next, I'm gonna go and put the I'm gonna go and put the playing cards next, and I gotta go look for the other one. So hold on. Sorry guys, I cut the camera off, but we is back. Okay, so as I was saying, is that I'm gonna go and get the playing cards. I got so many guys. I got so many bags. I don't know really. I found them. I found them. And I just the other two. Oh. Yep. Found them. This one. Okay, see, so these are the playing cards. I'm gonna set them here. And so these are, let me go and open up the door for me. These are the playing cards that will be going. It's like really dark in here. Ah, comes in handy. Desk lamp comes in handy. These are the playing cards that are going to go into the thing. So, I'm gonna and so don't worry, this one is going to be filled up too. So now the next one, I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna just put in these these tiny paddle balls. See? And they're super, super cute, see? So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open up these now. And see, they're like, it's like super, super cute. See, it's like, see, so this, see, I'm just pour them all out. See, it got like that one, just really cute. And the last one. So this, okay. So I'm gonna take this one. This one is going in there. Yep. Ugh. So this one says there's two extra ones, so I'll just keep. So the next one is I gotta get back to this. That's what I got for it. Oh yeah. So now next I got like these lip glosses and stuff. And that's where this one is finally getting used. So I'm gonna ground now. So that one is like the lipstick. Yep. Put it in the hole. One of them is not getting the lipstick. What is this? So, next is these cute note things. Okay, guys. So now I got these cute notes. These cute, like, little, like, small notepads, and, like, they are, like, sloth, and they're cute. I'm gonna open them up. See, and, like, I'm gonna just show you y'all one, see? And, like, it's cute. Like, see, it's like a heart shaped. Let's see. So, ah, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. This one is getting used again. I put one in there. How much is left over? Let's just do this. Okay. So now next, I got a lot of goodies in this one. So, I'm gonna open up these next. Opening up these. Gosh. See, it's like a garden gnome. I'm gonna just show you y'all like the different ones they got. This one. and one more. So let's go. So this is about to be a long video. And I got extra ones, so I might simply give them each two. And this one is getting one. Okay, so in the next one, I'm going to go do is I'm going to go and put the socks in there. So I got some socks. They're just like cute socks. The socks actually should have put down the bottom. I'm gonna have to go fold the socks up. No. Gotta put some more stuff. If there's more socks in there, I will figure it out. But next is one of my favorites. Is these heart-shaped slinkies, pink and red. Opening them up. Ouch. I still got leftovers from it. So they are each going to hold on. Not all of them. So majority of them is going to go get Slinky. So and so next is I got these jacks. Let's just open them up real quick. Got these jacks. It's like those ones. Yeah. So I'm gonna just give each of them one first, and then I'll figure it out. So since I got an extra one, I'll give it two. So next is these pencils. Because everybody could use my foot was in there. A good pencil. These are just super, super cute. See? These are so cute. So, I'm gonna give them. Sorry about the guys. So, I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna give them each two. Now, my favorite color is purple. I'm gonna give her purple. Oh, wait. So, let's play. I'm gonna go give her a red. And this. See, so I'm gonna give her purple. And a red one. And a red. Hold on. I'll switch one out. Give you the no, okay. And red, I'll just take. Yep. Got leftovers. So I'm just keeping all the leftovers. Next, I'm gonna go and put in. See, so the gift stuff is being. I got some more stuff over here. Oh yeah, I got more socks. And I got a lot more stuff. Okay. So now I got these sprays. It's this. It's a hair and body spray. And I got a lot. So if they could fit in here, I'm gonna make it work. So hold on. I didn't think this all through. Yep. Sorry, y'all just had to see my foot. So, actually, this one goes in here. And I'll give you this one. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to do stuff and film at the same time. I am not a pro at this. I am a Joe at this. Bear with me. This belongs on somebody's there. I just get. Okay, so now after all of that was in, there is one more thing. I have something else to go. Oh yeah, I got these. That one's mine. This one's okay. So, oh yeah, other socks. They're just black and white footies. So I like this. No, I'm gonna go and switch. Oh yeah, I just give Sasha the other one. No, actually I give her the gold. I'll give her. I'll just switch because she got these. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, see, so, oh yeah. And socks go in here. And I also got these facial wipes. Everybody could use some facial wipes. I I went all out on this. They're going to be like, oh, thank you. It's like super, super cute. Fun fact, I am a very thoughtful person. I always think of others. Yeah, I'm very thoughtful. Again, I never think before I put stuff in. Extra socks. I'll just keep. There is one more thing. There are some more stuff in here. What the heck is this? Oh yeah, my stuff. Oh yeah, my stuff. Okay, so there's one more thing. Oh yeah, definitely stuff. Oh yeah, got those. But it's like there's another bag. It's not the one that got the chocolate covered pretzels in it. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. I left it back. Um, I'm back. I didn't leave a bag in there. I just left something in there. And I got these cute, like, fortune cookies. They actually have a fortune in them from Dollar Tree. Open them up. See? And everybody's going to go get a fortune. Oh. Hold on, because this. Got them all out. Everybody's just getting two. Like, almost everybody. Mm. Yep. So next is the these the like little bear stuff. So no, actually that's not. Ooh, oh yeah, the hold on. Oh yeah, I could put that in there, but I have more stuff. I got like a bunch of more stuff. And this one, sorry for that, guys. This bear's supposed to go fit in. And so next, I'm gonna go and do these. I got these cute, like heart-shaped glasses from Dollar Tree. This is what they look like. They're just like so cute. They they're kind of go really so cute. They're very stiff. I got this. This is just for my sister. For her, like, just like, don't put some random thing in there. And I also got this for her. I got a lot of Christmas. And like these are just like Valentine's Day ears. A few more stuff now. The last finishing touches. First, I got something I know everybody loves. Chocolate covered pretzels. And they're getting one. Hope it doesn't break. Crystals is more neatly stacked. I like crystals is more neatly stacked. Yes, and my mom, my sister, she's like, love. And Sasha's is kind of neatly stacked too. But I feel like I got more stuff for them. That's why they're a little bit more like. These two are mine. And I also got them some additional candy. Candy. And oh yeah, duh. I got these heart shaped beads. Excuse my leg. My eye itches and I have to open up the beads. I think they're like tangled. Yeah. What the heck? Oh. I think these are before something. Let me one second. And so, oh yeah, the chocolate for my mom. I forgot about her chocolate. I just got her some Snickers. So, I got these. like cute glittery stuff. I got a few of them. So I'll open up this one first. The rest is just good. Okay. I think I got two of them, but I only need one. Next is this one. It's more of like a glittery one. And this one, whoa. This one, this one is like, it's going all over the place. So, I'm gonna try and like to do this. This one, like, you can see if I don't just just created a big mess. And, oh yeah, I got these two like chocolate things. They're just going to be on like this side here. And oh yeah, one more thing. This one is like so deflated. Don't be deflated. Oh yeah, I got these. I think I got like these like balloon stuff, balloons, mini balloons. So this one, let's go with here. Yep. Oh yes. Just please stay. Yep. See. And this one says. This, this, this one is going here. I'm have to go and go tape that on there. This one says. And this is the last one. It's a little deflated. I'm gonna switch. You are not as deflated as you. Oops. I got a lot of stuff on the ground. Let me make room for a thumbnail. Whew. Um, today's video. See, trying to, oh yeah, if I turn on, oh, get out the way. All right, y'all. So that is the end of today's video. Bam. So like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications. I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all, it took me a while to finish these 5.